But Professor Utonium...
Guess what, everybody?
accidentally
It's
added
time
a
for
can
the
of
Whoop-Ass
to the
Girls. Yes,
concoction.
Buttercup, Bubbles, and Blossom. If you're not sure to whom I'm referring, I'm talking about Craig McCracken's The Powerpuff Girls. I'm so excited that Cartoon Network has decided to do a Powerpuff Girl reboot. Now, sure, I'm not a big fan of the new theme song. I love the original theme song, but that's okay. The theme song is still cute. The cartoon is still cute. So, to celebrate, let's go over to Powerpuff Yourself and make an avatar that we'll probably be using on social media for the next few weeks. Now, I know that there's a lot of parents out there that aren't too excited about the Powerpuff Girls. For some reason, they deem them violent. However, parents, if you've seen some of the stuff that your children say on the internet and do on the internet, trust me when I tell you that the Powerpuff Girls are the least of your worries. So everybody, let's support quality animation and quality storytelling and watch the Powerpuff Girls on Cartoon Network starting on April the 4th.